Careers in welding are on the rise, but attracting students to a career in welding can be a challenge. They may have misconceptions about being a welder or be intimidated by the arcs and sparks. Some students may never be introduced to welding and don't know that it's a career opportunity. What if you could provide an engaging experience that would easily attract students to welding? The MobileArc from Miller combines real-world and computer-generated images into an augmented reality environment. Students work with special workpieces for a true hands-on immersive experience that closely resembles live arc welding. The MobileArc can either be helmet or welding gun mounted. With the helmet mount, students use the specially designed welding helmet and are fully engaged in the welding experience. The welding gun mount promotes further student interaction and easily allows them to share the welding experience. Instructors can also work with students one-on-one using the welding gun mount, allowing them to provide further instruction. Students can practice MIG welding on different joint types, including T, lap, and butt joints. The MobileArc provides real-time guidance on proper welding technique to facilitate muscle memory. Once the simulation is complete, students are scored and receive immediate feedback so they know which areas need improvement. The output from the MobileArc can also be streamed to an external device, such as a projector, for further student and instructor interaction and a more collaborative learning environment. With the high student-to-instructor ratio and limited lab time, the MobileArc gives more students more time to learn. Weighing less than 10 pounds, this highly portable training solution can be transported anywhere, allowing for remote learning outside of the classroom and easily solving recruitment problems. Help instructors increase efficiency. Improve recruitment with a cost-effective immersive experience. Help students master the basics in less time with the MobileArc from Miller.